Hi everyone. Our Earth is really special, but is facing some big problems. We call these environmental issues. Think about the air we breathe every day and the water we drink. We need them to be clean and safe. But right now, the Earth is getting warmer. This is making the weather change in big ways, like more strong storms and very hot days. Also, many kinds of animals and plants are disappearing. This is sad because every living thing is important and we have a lot of pollution. You see plastic in the ocean and sometimes the air in cities isn't clean. We're also cutting down too many trees. These problems aren't just happening far away. They can affect our health and the future for kids. But there's good news. We can all do things to help. We can learn more about these problems. We can try to use less stuff, like less plastic. We can recycle things. And we can choose things that are better for the earth. Big companies and the people who make clothes also need to help. It's something we all need to work on together. The earth is like our big home. If we take good care of it, it will be a better place for everyone, now and in the future. Let's all try our best to help our planet. Thank you.